Pentris is a two-player, collaborative or competitive game. To play, you'll need the Pentris board and a bag of Pentominoes. It should be 12. Before you begin, players take on the roles of either computer or instructor. Lisa's going to be the computer and I'm going to be the instructor. The instructor watches the pieces drop down from the top and gives the computer commands which they must obey. So, for example, this piece will be dropping down every, say, 3 seconds. It'll move down 1 square. If I don't make any commands, that's just what it'll do until it hits the bottom. But if I say right, the computer has to move the piece 1 to the right. If I say rotate 90 degrees clockwise, the computer has to rotate the piece 90 degrees clockwise. If I say flip vertically, the computer has to do that, and then I might go rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise. And then left, left, and then slam. If I make 2 commands within that 3 seconds, that's okay. The computer doesn't move it down once for every command, it moves it down once every time period, and you get to decide how often that is. So this time I might rotate 90 degrees clockwise, flip vertically, and then slam. If we're playing competitively, the computer would choose nasty pieces, but we're playing collaboratively, so the computer's chosen a nice piece here, so I can go right, 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 and then slam. We're working together to see how many pieces we can fit in the grid, and currently our score is 3. The best score you can possibly get is 12, and if you can show me a video of you and your partner doing that together, there might be a prize. All right, this time I'm going to rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise. And I'm going to move 1 to the right and slam. So the game continues like this, and as you play, you might start to see gaps opening up like that. This means I cannot possibly score 12 now because it has to be perfectly lined up to do that. This time I'm going to move left once, flip vertically, and then slam. And so it's looking pretty good so far. And I'm going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise, rotate 90 degrees clockwise, then move right and slam. Let's say this time I make some sort of mistake and accidentally have a piece land on top of another one. So this time I'll just say slam straight away, and I've left a few gaps either side, and then I might flip this one vertically, slam. The game's almost over. The game will end when a piece is jutting outside of the grid. So this time I can't fit this one in no matter what I do, unless I went left, left really quickly and then slam. That one still fits in, and then now whatever comes up the top is going to jut out the sides. And so my game ends here, and my score is minus this one, and then count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9's a pretty decent score. 10 is one of the best I've ever seen. I may have once seen an 11. So, work with a partner to see how many pieces you can get, or compete against that partner and see who ends up with the highest score.